Okay, welcome to the course. My name is Rick Jenkins, the Supa Producer. I'm an independent film producer and president of ScreenMagic Films. Today we're going to talk about independent filmmaking for profit, the production process. In the production process, the tasks that must be completed during filming a movie. This is what happens during the production process of making a movie. All right, major duties in the film production stage, and as usual, you'll notice that I have an asterisk there next to the title. And what the asterisk means, for those of you that don't know, is that everything I teach in my courses, especially when it comes to film production, is not set in stone. You can change things slightly if you want to. You can add things, eliminate things, but this is what has helped me. For my students that know, I've produced over 15 independent films. I've been in the business over 15 years, and the things that I do and the way that I do them have helped me to accomplish that. So I just like to put that little caveat there. All right, so let's talk about what it really takes during the film production stage. I'm going to talk about before the camera start rolling, the things that you should do right before the camera start rolling to make sure that you get good shots when you're shooting your film. Then I'm going to talk about actually shooting the film and the best way to go about doing that. I'm going to talk about staying on schedule. This is very important. I'm going to talk about staying on budget. Also very important. And then after the cameras start rolling, what you should do and the things that will help you to have a good actual film production before you go into post. So these are the major points that I'll be discussing today in this course. So grab a pencil for some notes, sit back, relax, and let's get started. I will see you in the first lesson.